In this video, I will show you how to turn on two-step verification for Gmail. First of all, open up any web browser. In the search bar, search for Gmail. Now log into the account where you want to turn on two-step verification. Now in the top right corner, you can see your profile icon, and right beside it, you will find Google Apps. Click on it. The first option is Account. Click on Account. Now at the menu bar on the left side, you can find Security and Sign In. Click on it. If you scroll down, you can find two-step verification. Click on it. Now verify your identity. Now you have multiple alternatives to choose for the second step. You can turn on as many as you want. Then simply click on Turn on two-step verification at the bottom of the screen.